So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna showcase how to remove the door panel, and this is a Cmax 2014 I believe. So this one even has this for the sun. That's quite nice. But what I need to do is take this bad boy out. So let's see. It is my first time, but over here there is some hole that you can put your tool inside, so like this, and you just click it out gently if you can. And there is one screw over here and another one over here, so let's try that. I'm gonna need a bit longer, so a bit longer tool for this over here. So that one and the other one as well. So that's two of them. I will unplug this just so it doesn't go in the way. So I put it over here, and now there is probably one over here. Should be. So you click it that way. Might use a screwdriver to take it out, or some plastic tools, or if you have these bad boys I have, that's a great tool. So another screw over here. Let's take that one out, and I believe now that's all of them. Otherwise, if there is some down here, but I don't see it, so let's try to pull it out. Maybe probably should start from down there somewhere. I'm gonna use plastic tools like this to start somewhere. And then we're gonna see. So yeah, as you can see, I did a little bit damage here, but use the plastic tool, click somewhere over here, and then it goes quite easy. So once you take that out, you just push this up here like this, and then we have this one wire that's for speaker, and this bad boy over here to take out. So like this. So that one, and the one over here, that's the one for it's kind of hard with just one hand. Not only hard, kind of impossible. So let me take it. So I just click in like this. After that, there is one screw over here, and as you can see, this jelly, it's kind of over here. So there is, here we have the lock. For the lock, I believe just this one and these three over here. Okay, need a bigger one for this, but this one should be. So that one, and now these three. So taking out those, as you can see, it's now loose. Now we have this plug over here. You just click it and pull out, and then you need to take this out as well. Depends what you want to do. So yeah, so seems like I will have to take this out as well, because I don't know, something is not going and I'm not really sure. So you can see there is one screw, and that's for the, that one is for this cap over here, so you can remove this handle out, because it seems like it does not want to go. So I'm gonna remove the handle and then probably gonna take everything out. So you're gonna need this small one. I'm not sure if you're gonna see. So this small one, and you put it in really long and then unscrew it. And when you see that, when you finish that, you can take out this bad boy out, and with that this one goes as well. So that's for that one. And now this should be fairly easy to take out. So this one, as you can see over here. So taking this all out, it's quite a little job, to be honest. So that's basically that for this job. So if this will help you, I hope it will. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So till next one, see ya.